Road trips are an exciting way to explore new places, create unforgettable memories, and experience the freedom of the open road. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, proper planning is key to making the journey enjoyable. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to plan the perfect road trip. From route planning to packing, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. 1. Choose the right destination. The first step in planning your road trip is selecting the perfect destination. Think about what you want to experience during your trip. Are you looking for stunning landscapes, historical sites, or vibrant cities? Take time to research possible routes and destinations that align with your interests. Consider how far you're willing to drive and how much time you have available. Once you've decided on your destination, start mapping out the places you'd like to visit along the way. Choosing the right destination sets the tone for the entire trip, so make sure it excites you. 2. Plan your route carefully. Once you have a destination in mind, the next step is planning your route. Use tools like Google Maps or Road Trippers to explore different routes and potential stops along the way. Think about whether you want to take the most direct route or explore scenic byways for a more leisurely journey. Plan your driving hours to ensure you don't overdo it on any given day. If possible, avoid long stretches of monotonous driving by including fun pit stops or natural attractions. By carefully planning your route, you'll be able to make the most of your time on the road. 3. Pack smart and light. Packing for a road trip is different from packing for a flight. You have more space in your car, but it's still important to pack smart and light. Bring only the essentials that you'll need during the trip, such as clothes for all types of weather, toiletries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget entertainment options like books, podcasts, or games for long stretches of driving. Snacks and drinks are a must to keep you energized, and make sure to have a phone charger and a portable battery pack for emergencies. By packing efficiently, you'll ensure that your car stays organized and you have everything you need for the journey. 4. Book accommodations in advance. While some road trips are about spontaneity, it's a good idea to book accommodations in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak tourist seasons. Research your route and identify towns or cities where you'll need to stop overnight. Booking accommodations ahead of time guarantees that you'll have a place to stay, and you can choose options that suit your budget. Whether you're looking for a cozy motel, a charming bed and breakfast, or a luxury hotel, booking early ensures you don't have to scramble for a room after a long day of driving. Plus, you can often find better rates when you book in advance. 5. Prepare your car for the journey. Before hitting the road, make sure your car is in top condition for the journey. Check your tires, oil, brakes, and fluid levels to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you're driving long distances, it's a good idea to have a mechanic perform a quick inspection. Also, pack an emergency kit with items like a spare tire, jumper cables, flashlight, and any other essentials that might come in handy if something goes wrong. By preparing your car ahead of time, you can avoid breakdowns and delays, allowing you to focus on enjoying the trip. 6. Set a realistic budget. Road trips can be affordable, but it's important to set a realistic budget to ensure you don't overspend. Consider costs like gas, accommodations, meals, and any attractions you plan to visit. It's also a good idea to set aside a small emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Research gas prices along your route to get an idea of how much fuel will cost. Use budgeting apps to track your spending and make sure you're staying on track. By planning your budget carefully, you can enjoy your road trip without worrying about money. 7. Plan for flexibility. While planning is crucial, it's also important to allow for flexibility on your road trip. Road trips are about the journey as much as the destination, and sometimes the best experiences happen when you veer off the planned path. Planning the perfect road trip involves a mix of preparation, flexibility, and excitement. By following these steps, choosing your destination, planning your route, packing smart, and more, you can ensure that your road trip is smooth and enjoyable. Remember, the road trip is about the journey itself, so embrace the adventure and make memories that will last a lifetime. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on travel and road trip planning. Safe travels and happy road tripping!